Assalamualaikum, I am Hijab Fatima from 10th grade and I belong to Quaid Public High School. Today I have a great chance to introduce my model. My topic is types of motion and my model shows different types of motion. These types include rectilinear motion, downfall motion, circular motion and periodic motion. First of all, I will tell you about rectilinear motion. The motion of an object in straight line is known as rectilinear motion. For example, a car moving on the road in straight line. Next one is downfall motion. The motion of an object from top to bottom is known as downfall motion. For example, a children coming down from slide. Next one is circular motion. The motion of an object in circular path is known as circular motion. For example, a crossel wheel. And the last one is periodic motion. The to and fro motion of an object is known as periodic motion. For example, two children playing on seesaw. At the end, I appreciate my teachers and my school management for providing me a great chance to explain my model. Thank you so much.